the word Union on the side? Beneath those doors, behind those doors, is a 16-cylinder, 3,300 horsepower, turbocharged diesel engine. And off the crankshaft of that engine, on the forward end, was a main generator that generated 600 volts DC current that would power each of the 4 axles. Each of those 4 axles you see in front has a traction motor attached to it with a, I think it was maybe about a 5918 reduction gear. Either that or 6215. Anyway, that's what's in Union. I know the Illinois Railway Museum has one in Union, Illinois. There's one at Cody Park in North Platte, Nebraska. There's one at Kennefic Park overlooking the Missouri River. As you go west on I-80 and cross the bridge, you'll see actually number 6900, which was the first engine, is on display there. This is the only one that still runs. All the others have just guts. I mean, the guts were all pulled out of them. So I grew up on the Harvard subdivision of the Chicago Northwestern that ran northwest out of the city. It really is the quintessential post-World War II passenger engine. It usually had an air cab, which is really nice. They were geared for 100-mile-an-hour operation. They could do, most of the time, they seldom exceeded 90 mile an hour. Always passenger, yeah. 5, it went on display west of the depot out here. And then about 4 years later, a group of employee volunteers persuaded the railroad to try to restore this engine, which we did. And so in March of 1981, it was fired up for the first one axle with 2 wheels in back to support the weight of the firebox. Rod here, going up, this reverser yoke here, this unit here, and the piston back here. This is all Young's patent, Y-O-U-N-G. Most railroads standardized on Belcher, 440 is an American, 282 is a Mikado. You know, all these engines had different characterizations. So this guy asked me, he says, well, 210-2, isn't that a Santa Fe? And I said, well, yeah, on every other railroad, but not Union Pacific. Those products with the big boys. Which is why they're going to go with oil. And of course, coal today, you know, railroad, if everything works out right in 2019, they plan to take the big boy all over the system, the UP system. Generally, anywhere we run west of the Mississippi. As you can see, this engine is slowly getting cannibalized for parts. The likelihood of it running again is about the same likelihood as you walking out of this building and getting hit on the head by a meteorite.
So there's a slim chance.
Less than slim, yeah. It took metal gets heated up. It expands. So at some point, when this tire gets in orange, a dark orange color, you can now grab it and pull it off from the casting. Then to put a new tire on, it's the same thing. That tire has to be heated up